In 1985, Bugs Bunny became the second cartoon character, after Mickey Mouse, to be honored with a star on Hollywood's Walk of Fame. That said, did you know that Bugs Bunny starred in more films than any other cartoon character on the planet? So take that, Mickey. Amazingly, Bugs' first appearance in a cartoon only happened because in 1938, Warner Brothers were in need of a new finished cartoon as soon as possible. So they simply took one they had already done the year before, Porky's Duck Hunt, and basically swapped out the duck for a rabbit. The results? Porky's Hare Hunt. In it, Bugs was white, not the gray color we see today, and he was simply known as Happy Rabbit. He eventually got his name in the 1940 cartoon A Wild Hare, which is also the first time he uttered those immortal words.
What's up, Doc?
It is said that Bugs' famous carrot-eating mannerisms were influenced by the legendary actor Clark Gable from a scene in the 1934 movie It Happened One Night. One more thing, Bugs was voted by theater owners as the best cartoon character in the world every year from 1945 to 1961. That's over Mickey Mouse. Bugs was also the first cartoon character to ever appear on a U.S. postal stamp, again, before Mickey. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a great Bugs Bunny turnaround drawing lesson along with hundreds of others.